Good morning, students. Welcome to NRM Holy Heart Convent School Boha online classes. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Dear students, in our last video, we discussed about the noun, its definition, and how we can find out the nouns in the given practice. But in today's video, we will learn and discuss about the types of nouns. Types of nouns. There are 5 types of nouns. First one is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is material noun, fourth one is collective noun, and fifth one is abstract noun. There are 5 types of nouns, but today we will discuss about the common nouns and proper nouns only. Common nouns are names given in common to all people, places, animals, and things of same kind. Proper nouns are the names of particular people, places, animals, and things. Dear students, look at these pictures. In the first picture, these are the books, but we don't know about the names of these books, so we can call it common noun. And in the second picture, there is one book and its name is New Grammar Tree, so we can call it proper noun. All the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. Whenever we are going to write a proper noun, it starts with a capital letter, and there is no compulsion of capital letter for the common noun. It may be in small letter also. Dear students, look at these examples. First one is John the clown entertains people in the circus. Here John is a proper noun and it starts with a capital letter J. And in second one, they live in a Mumbai. Here Mumbai is the proper noun and it starts with a capital letter M. And in the third one, his dog's name is Pluto. The name of the dog is Pluto. Pluto is a proper noun here and it also starts with a capital letter P. Dear students, see some more examples. Here proper nouns are shown in green color and common nouns are shown in orange color. So let us read. See first one, Nihir has a big bag. Here Nihir is a proper noun and bag is a common noun. And in second one, Paris is capital of France. Here Paris and France both are the proper nouns. And in third one, a dog is man's best friend. Here, 3 things are mentioned here: dog, man, and friend. But we don't know about the particular name of this dog, man, or best friend. So, that is called common noun. And in fourth one, Arun likes to travel by train. Here, Arun, that is the name of one boy. So, that is a proper noun. And likes to travel by train. Train, we don't know about the name of the train. So, that's why we can call the train common noun. Dear students, here are some more examples for common noun and proper nouns. How we can clarify whether it is common noun or proper noun. So let's discuss about it. This one practice is mentioned in your course book. See the first example. First one is festival. Whenever we are talking about a festival, that is called common noun, and whenever we are talking about a particular festival like Holi, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purba, that is a proper noun. Whenever we are talking about a month, that is a common noun. Whenever we are talking about a particular month, that is a proper noun like April or December. And in third one, whenever we are talking about a day, that is a common noun, and whenever we are talking about Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Saturday, the particular day, that is a proper noun. Next is language. Simple, whenever we are talking about a language, that is a common noun, and whenever we are talking about a particular language like English, Hindi, French, that is proper noun. And next is monument. Suppose we are talking about any monument but we don't know about the name, so that time we can include that monument in common noun. And whenever we are talking about Red Fort, Taj Mahal with the name of that monument, that we can consider in a proper noun. And next is river, sea, mountain, lake. All these river, sea, mountain, lake, whenever we are not talking about their names, these are the common nouns. And whenever we are talking about with their names like Ganga, Arabian Sea, Himalaya, Dal Lake, that is proper noun. Next is book, newspaper, magazine. Simply whenever we are talking about the any book, newspaper, magazine without their name, then that is a common noun. And whenever we are talking with the title of that book, newspaper or magazine, that is a proper noun, like the Ramayana, Malgudi Days, the Times of India, India Today. Now these are the proper nouns. I think the concept is clear to you कि whether it is a common noun or proper noun, how we can identify the common and proper nouns. So in the next video we will discuss about the practices given in our books. Thank you.